Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer KuCoin to Binance. First, ensure both your KuCoin and Binance accounts are fully verified and ready for transactions. You'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to move, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and confirm the correct network for the transfer. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure asset migration between exchanges. Next, log into your Binance account and navigate to the deposit section. Here, you'll select the exact cryptocurrency you want to receive. It's vital to choose the correct deposit network, such as BEP20 or ERC20, to match your KuCoin withdrawal. Carefully copy the unique deposit address provided, and if there's a memo or tag, copy that too. It's essential for successful delivery. Now head over to your KuCoin account and find the withdrawal section. Select the same cryptocurrency you're sending to Binance. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the designated field, and critically, choose the identical network. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, keeping in mind that there might be a small withdrawal fee, often less than $1, depending on the asset. Finally, double-check every detail of your transfer, including the address and network, to prevent any errors. Complete the necessary security verifications, like two-factor authentication, on KuCoin. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. You can monitor its status on both platforms. Most transfers typically complete within 5 to 30 minutes, and your funds will soon appear in your Binance wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.